A 26-year-old man in Pune wanted to become famous in his village. But instead of joining the Indian Air Force, he allegedly decided to pretend to be an Air Force soldier. And what exposed his lie over there? Not a sophisticated technology, not a major investigation, but an alert that was given by the tailor in Pune's Loegaon area made this entire lie exposed. Let's try to understand what exactly happened over there. The accused has been identified as Shubham Vilas, a 26-year-old native of Beed. According to police, Shubham works at a salon in Shikarpur. But back in his hometown, he allegedly told people that he had joined the Indian Air Force. To make the story real, he went to Balaji Tailor in Gurudwara Colony at Loegaon to get an Air Force uniform stitched. And this is where his plan started falling apart. While trying on the uniform, the tailor noticed something suspicious about his behavior over there. The tailor asked Shubham to show his identity card, but the tailor immediately noticed that something was wrong in that ID card. Having regular uniform stitched for military personnel, the tailor knew what a genuine identity card looked and what should not be looked. Instead of ignoring, he immediately contacted the Loegaon police station over there and tried to explain each and everything over there. Police reached the spot and detained Shubham over there itself. Air Force officials were also informed about this, and during questioning by the police and Air Force official, the accused allegedly attempted that he was never an Air Force soldier. But investigation then uncovered an even more serious detail in this case. Police found that the ID card being used by Shubham was allegedly belonged to a real Air Force soldier who died in a train accident during the year of 2022. So according to investigators, a soldier identity card was allegedly being used by a man who had never served into the force. And the reason would be Shubham allegedly told the investigators that he wanted to impress the people in his village and increase his fame because he wanted to become famous in his village. The court has remanded Shubham in the police custody. The police are now investigating how he obtained the card of the soldier and whether anyone helped him and whether the fake identity was used for any other purpose related to army force or anything as such. The case also raised a serious question. How far can someone go just to create a false image of themselves? Like if you want to become famous, work hard rather than using something suspicious. In this case, one alert tailor attention detail exposed the entire lie over there. And the famous and the guy who want to the 26-year-old man who want to become famous, his lie was entirely exposed. Now we have to see what further action will police take on this. We will bring you the update. With camera person Ajay, I am Harjit Kaur from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.